one of the challenges that I see for some of the C-suite is really not understanding what physical security does and how it is integrated and how it is interwoven with a lot of the things that happen within the company. Some of the C-suite, maybe the only thing they really know about security is the executive protection driver who picks them up. The first door gets opened by them and the last door gets closed by them. And that's what they perceive then for the security department to be. But the security department, just a ton more going on in the background between the GSOC and security technology and security operations. But oftentimes they are just looking for outcomes. So it's a matter of really being able to provide what the risk result is, but it has to be really crafted in a very sharp message, because the C-suite does not have time for a 20-minute conversation. You have lost them if you don't have them in the first minute or 30 seconds. And I think that a lot of attention has to be paid to that. It's something that when I was growing up in the security world, I never really thought of. And just really that self-discipline to shape what the pitch is that you have